In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize fonts in kit.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust text size inside your email templates using the built-in controls, so your headings, subheads, and body copy look clean, readable, and on brand. First, head to the Kit dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Send section in the main navigation. This is where all your outbound communication tools live, including the email builder. Click into Send, then choose Email Templates. This takes you to your library of templates so you can pick the one you want to tweak. Open an existing email you'd like to adjust. When the editor loads, click directly into the content area and highlight the text you want to resize. Selecting the text first is important. It tells the editor exactly which block or span of text you want to modify, so the changes apply in the right place. With your text selected, look to the right side of the editor. You'll see the styling panel showing options for font, size, and color. We're focusing on size here, so leave the other settings as they are unless you're making broader design updates. Keeping your attention on a single control helps you build a consistent type hierarchy one change at a time. Now, adjust the font size using the slider. Drag it slowly to preview the change live in the editor. Move it up for larger text, down for smaller text, and pause after each small adjustment to make sure line breaks and spacing still look good. Aim for a clear visual hierarchy, larger for headings to grab attention, and a comfortable, readable size for body text. As a general rule, ensure body copy remains easy to read across devices, especially on mobile. If you prefer precision, you can type an exact size value in pixels. Click the size field, enter your number, and confirm. Using a specific pixel value is great for teams working from a style guide or when you want perfect consistency across multiple templates. Try to stick to a small set of sizes, like one for headings, one for subheads, and one for body, to keep your design unified. Repeat the same selection and size process for any other text you want to match. Take a quick look through the template to ensure everything aligns visually, with spacing and line lengths that feel balanced. That's it. You went to Kit, opened Send, navigated to email templates, selected your email, highlighted your text, and resized it either with the slider or by entering an exact pixel value. Follow these steps anytime you need crisp, consistent typography in your Kit emails.